How to use help in MATLAB. You can just type doc, press enter, the help window opens. You can search what you want from here. For example, we want format. Press enter. We just wait for it. It was a little slow. I want this one. Mm, Format style changes the output display format to the format specified by style. For example, format short G. Numeric value in a compact format with 5 total digits. You can read it to the end. If you want the alternatives to what you typed, you can come to the end of this and you can show see the suggestions. This fprintf formatted displays text, display format options, and another way is to use help and what you want. I want format. Press enter. Sometimes this is better. For example, format short, format default, format long, format short E, long G, short G, long G, shorten G, longen G, format hex, format plus, format bank, rational, and others. Let's use one. 2 divided by 5. It is format short. I want to increase the decimal part. I use format long, and again you can see it has increased. If you want to change it to the default one, you can just type format, press enter, or you can use format short, short. Okay, 2 divided by 5. Here's how you can change the format. Let's use format bank. Here's it is by dollar and cents. Okay.